Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I got these spoilers for the Slay Glam box for the month of June. So really quick, if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. And if you use code Michelle Martin, that's going to save you 10% off your first subscription order. It's not a code I make any money off of. It's just a code to save you a little bit of money. And if you like these spoiler videos, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell because I am random. I upload twice a week, but it is on different days. I got a special announcement for next month's Slay Glam box. I am so excited for. I cannot wait to share this with you guys. I have been patiently waiting to share this with you guys. So you're definitely gonna want to stay tuned, girl. Okay, so for the first spoiler for the Slay Glam box, you know I'm always going to start with the star of the show, which is always the eyeshadow palette for me. And this month we're getting a Rasha B Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And this is the Now palette. And I don't know why, but I feel like I say that so weird. So if I do, my bad, but it's just the way I say it. So this is a 5-pan palette. It's got a matte teal, a shimmer teal. It looks like a duochrome, like teal to white. A shimmery gold, and maybe like a duochrome champagne goldy color. So super cute little palette. I really like the colors in here. Not a lot of palettes throw in teal colors, so I like the theme of this. And of course, we all know that we love Rasha B Cosmetics formula, so you know that this is going to be a nice little addition to our collection. Spoiler number 2 for the Slay Glam box is going to be a product from Illuminati, and this is going to be a quad eyeshadow palette. So we're going to get 4 colors. We're going to get a teal, a minty green color, and a couple of dark shades. And I think that this goes so well with the Now palette because it has the little bit of darker shades in there if you want to deepen up your crease. So I love that. Again, one of my favorite things about Slay Glam is how well Rasha really coordinates everything together. Spoiler number 3 is going to be a product from Beauty Creations, and this is going to be a 3-pan highlighter. You're going to get a pink, a blue, and a yellow. Very pretty. I love getting highlighters. Again, I say it all the time. You can never have too many highlighters in my opinion. Spoiler number 4 is going to be a product from Romantic Beauty, and this is going to be a glitter lip oil. Now, but we have received a liquid lipstick from them, and the smell is amazing, and I really do like their liquid lipstick. So I'm excited to get a lip oil from them, and it's a glitter. Who doesn't love the glitter? I love to glitter. I love to shine. Okay, girls, so our 5th and final spoiler for the Slay Glam box for the month of June is going to be a product from Mora. And this is going to be their Supernova gel liners. And we're going to be receiving 2 shades, which is really nice. We're going to be getting the blue and the green. And these are like duochromes themselves. They're really gorgeous. I'm pretty sure these just launched because I seen over on Instagram where they were showing all the different shades they have. And when I mean, girl, they got a ton of different shades, and they're only, I believe, $6 a piece. Those, I think, are going to be really nice. And again, I just think this whole box just coordinates so well together. I'm excited for this whole box. There's nothing in here that I will not use. I'll tell you that much. Okay, girl, so for my special announcement, I have been dying to let you guys know. I have been waiting. It feels like so long. I am going to be doing a collaboration palette with Rasha B Cosmetics, and it is going to be coming in the July Slay Glam box, and I am so excited for it. And the name of this palette is going to be called Beach Please. I'm so excited. It was so much fun to create this palette with Rasha, and I'm just so honored that she even did this with me. So I tried to do a really fun palette for summertime, something that's going to have some pops of color, but also some neutral colors in here. Rasha is actually sending me a sample palette, so I am going to be getting on here and creating some looks with you guys with this palette. And I'm so excited for this eyeshadow palette and just so thankful that she asked me to be a part of this. I'm still about it. So definitely make sure if you are not signed up for July's box, girl, that you get signed up so you can get my eyeshadow palette. I am so excited for this. This is still so surreal for me. I cannot even believe that I was able to create my own eyeshadow palette, and it's insane, and it was such a fun experience. Like, for my name to be on one of her eyeshadow palettes is amazing. I absolutely love her formula. I always have. Again, a huge thank you to Rasha. This is such an amazing opportunity, and I'm so glad that I got to do it with you, girl. I really love you so much, and I really can't wait to see our eyeshadow palette. Okay, girl, so as always, let me know what is your favorite product coming in the box this month, and let me know what you think about my eyeshadow palette. I am so excited to hear everybody's feedback. I cannot wait. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.